Hi, my name is Pooja. Basically, I'm from Gulbarga, but I was working in Bangalore as software engineer. Due to Corona, I moved to Gulbarga, and I have been married for past 3 years. And from past 1.5 year, we were planning to have a kid, but as you know, in Bangalore, we are not so comfortable. And as I come from doctor's family, so I wanted to show somewhere in Gulbarga and where I am comfortable, to which doctor I can be very comfortable. So I was searching such hospital. As I'm from my doctor's family, so my sister-in-law and my brother and my father referred me. We actually follow one maternity hospital, like my sisters and all have been following one gynec doctor. So even I went there, but my case was I had PCOD. So because of the stressful lifestyle of software engineer and all, I couldn't conceive, and because of the severe PCOD issues, I was not able to conceive. So the doctor directly referred me, the other gynec doctor, she referred me here. And when so I directly didn't come here. So I went through few people who have been means who have already showed or referred here in this month. So I spoke to few people, and all of them gave me a very good review, like hospital is very good, doctors are very good, and even nurse and other staffs will help you, they will guide you through, like if you have any queries and all, you can come back and ask doctors again. So such kind of review I had got. So that is why I came and showed in once, and from past 3 months I started my treatment here. So I was very lucky enough to get through it in first cycle only. I was able to conceive. um, and I would thank, especially I would thank Bhagyashree Patil madam, because she was the one who saw me multiple times. Even Madhura ma'am and Meeta ma'am, I could like they didn't see me for like they only saw me 2 or 3 times, but they knew my case so well, and everybody helped me so nicely and guided me so well. And especially I would thank medical person Sushil K. He was also very helpful in giving me medicines and giving me injections. If I would have missed any injections, he would remind me and tell me like you need to take these injections. um, and staff person also, they were also very good, like sisters and the receptionists were also helpful. They used to like ask us to wait, tell us the like when we can meet doctor and all. And regarding like medicines and all, I think they were like very correct, I mean they were on top, like they were very exact for my body type what it was. And it was like I'm telling you, like I was very lucky to conceive in first cycle only. That means the doctors have been like they have studied my case so well, like within first cycle only I was able to conceive. So that was one of the best part, and definitely I would refer this one to any of my friends and relatives.